Hey everyone! Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you how to sell personalized products on Shopify easily. So let's get started. Step 1. Install a product personalization app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for apps like Product Personalizer or Customify. Install the app on your store. Step 2. Choose your product. Go to your Shopify dashboard, select Products, and click Add Product or choose an existing product. Step 3. Enable personalization. Open the Personalization app and link it to your product. Set options like text engraving, custom images, or color choices. Step 4. Customize product page. Design your product page with text fields or image upload options for customers to add custom details. Step 5. Test and publish. Preview your product page, test the personalization options, and publish it to your store. Unfortunately, I don't have any Customify plan, so I told you the steps but I could not show it. That's how you sell personalized products on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more tutorials. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.